In this video, we show how to replace a system battery in a PowerEdge R7725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the system battery with the cover and air shrouds removed, we also have riser 3 removed for visibility. Press back on the retention clip to free the battery and then lift it out of the system. To install the system battery, slide it under the retention clip and then press down into place. For more information or assistance about the PowerEdge R7725, visit dell.com/support.